Our journey into the abyss begins. A testament to human ambition.
Contact. We have a clear structural anomaly bearing 045. Deploy the ROV. We need visual confirmation immediately.
Steady now, lower to the mark.
Copy that, 20 meters and counting. Watch the line, keep it clear.
We're seeing something, faint, but it's there.
The ocean's floor holds countless secrets, and our technology is our eye.
I'm seeing something significant here at Sector Gamma.
Confirmed. Adjusting course now.
Get a visual confirmation on that target immediately.
Check the wiring harness on the starboard side.
Roger that. Sonar is reading clear.
Umbilical secured, boss. We are good to go.
Every connection must be perfect.
Utilizing the advanced navigation systems, the team maneuvers the ROV closer. The increasing sonar telemetry confirms they are approaching the target shipwreck. As the lights sweep across the abyssal zone, we find the elusive gulper eel, a creature uniquely adapted to this crushing darkness.
Right there, below the thermocline. It's definitely metallic. Get the Magnus in the water now. Move, move, move.
Cable integrity check complete. All green on telemetry.
That's not natural. Zoom in.
Look at the structure there, just past the debris field.
Enhance the lighting on that quadrant. That's definitely hand-carved timber. We found it.
Affirmative. Stabilizing position now.
Okay, bringing her down to 40 meters. Copy that. Lights on full. Wait, enhance that section. I think I see the nameplate.
The final approach requires absolute precision. With the shipwreck now in sight, the team relies entirely on
horns. The ROVD lights reveal the intricate details of the stern. This nameplate
The retrieval window is narrow, less than 6 hours before the storm hits.
We must stabilize the hull section first.
Agreed. Send the ROVs through the starboard breach here.
We found a strong indication of cargo.
This diamond saw is the only way through the hull. We have to make the cut.
I've double-checked the schematics and structural checks.
Diagnostics are nominal. Pressure check complete.
Confirmed. The claw is secure and ready for deployment.
Roger that. Bringing up the hydraulics.
All right, team, easy now. Take her down another 20 meters. Watch the tension on those cables.
We have positive contact. Start the lift sequence. Steady as she goes.
Roger that. Cable tension holding steady at 50%.
We're approaching max depth. The pressure just spiked.
Hold position. We've got a red light on the hydraulics.
Okay, easy now. Pull it clear.
Wait, hold that position. Zoom in. We have amphoray. Confirmed contact.
ROV, stabilize position. Clearing target area 4. Hold steady. Confirmation, mission control. We have visual confirmation of the target artifact. It's intact.
We have a visual.
We have visual confirmation on the main array. Proceed to recovery sequence Gamma.
The density readings match the profile. This is it.
Gold!
Pure gold!
Cable tension holding steady at 5,000. Maintain ascent rate. Copy that. Coming up on the surface now.
The ascent speed is maintained at a steady 5 meters per minute, bringing the 45-ton payload from a depth of over 2,000 meters.
There it is! There it is!
Secure the basket, we did it!
They're magnificent!
The purity on this ingot matches the manifest. It's extraordinary.
And the crest confirms the origin. The entire collection is intact.
As the treasure comes aboard, the priority shifts to documentation. And
Another gold ingot secured. That's 32 so far.
Excellent. Handle with care, team. This haul is significant.
This inscription tells a story.
Secure. Ready for transport.
Mission
Accomplished!
secured and accounted for.
this intricate locking mechanism secures the gold, silver, and platinum group metals, ensuring the integrity of this high-value cargo.
We truly changed history today.
Item 47 Alpha, confirmed secure.
Barcode scanned and data logged. Ready for tagging.
We are green for transfer. Confirm weight and balance.
Confirmed. Package Alpha is stable.
Mission accomplished. All assets accounted for.
We did it! Absolutely incredible. I can't believe we found it. To the ancestors!
The density reading here confirms the target.
Yes, the signature matches the gold artifacts we logged yesterday.
I can schedule the recovery dive for 0600.
The recovery operation was executed flawlessly. As this final ROV sweep confirms, the hidden cargo has been successfully extracted.
Every piece recovered with minimal disturbance.
To the ocean's secrets, finally revealed! After all this time, we finally made it back. The Athena payload is secure.
The Deep Sea Treasure Hunter team returns home, bringing with them discoveries that will change our understanding of the deep ocean.
We brought history home!
Convoy is moving. Sector 4 is clear. All units maintain vigilance.
As you can see on the manifest analysis, the isotopic signature confirms the Cadiz origin. This specific bar...
This crest confirms it's from the Atocha, undoubtedly. See the markings here.
And the corrosion suggests it rested near the main anchor site.
It was a testament to our team's collective brilliance. Brilliance.
The recovery of these precious metals marks a profound historical shift, revealing the secrets hidden beneath the waves for centuries.
The 3D imaging allows us to study the bar's unique composition without compromising its integrity.
For their unprecedented efforts in deep sea recovery, we present this award to the Deep Sea Treasure Hunter team. Congratulations.
This is for the ocean and for history.
The pressure down there is immense, so your structural integrity is everything.
What about the energy consumption for the new sonar array? That's exactly what we need to optimize in the next phase.
The ocean still calls to us.
It's incredible what still lies beneath us.
The currents suggest it's deeper than we thought.
But the historical significance makes the effort worthwhile.
The recovery of the hidden cargo stands as a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance.
And so, the ocean's secrets are revealed, proving that with ingenuity and perseverance, even